Experience the power and convenience of a full-size oven in a compact countertop package with the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven. This versatile kitchen appliance is designed to elevate your cooking experience, offering quality results with every use. Let's delve into what makes the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven into your kitchen. Unleash the power of dual convection. With dual convection technology, this countertop oven cooks faster and more efficiently than traditional ovens. Experience up to 20% faster cooking with a dual convection bake setting, allowing you to prepare meals in less time without compromising on quality. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to delicious dishes in a fraction of the time. Precision cooking with built-in temperature probe. Take control of your cooking process with the built-in temperature probe. Whether you're roasting a chicken or baking a cake, the temperature probe ensures perfect results every time. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals, as the temperature probe provides accurate readings to help you achieve culinary perfection. Spacious capacity for versatile cooking. Despite its compact size, the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven boasts a large capacity that can accommodate up to 2 whole chickens. From sheet cakes to one-pan dinners, this countertop oven gives you the freedom to cook what you want when you want. With the included 9 by 13-inch baking pan, you'll have everything you need to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Intuitive controls and convenient features. Featuring 12 preset cooking functions, an easy-to-read digital display, and an integrated interior light, the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven offers convenience and versatility at your fingertips. Monitor your cooking progress without disrupting your dish, and enjoy hassle-free cleanup with the non-stick interior and removable drip and crumb tray. What's included for your convenience? The KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven comes complete with everything you need to embark on your culinary journey. From the countertop oven itself to the 9 by 13-inch baking pan, removable metal rack, and temperature probe, you'll have all the tools you need to cook with confidence. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven is more than just an oven. It's a game changer in the kitchen. With its powerful convection technology, precision temperature control, and spacious capacity, it's the perfect companion for any home chef looking to take their cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.